If you live in Houston, you already know how brutal the heat and humidity can be, especially on your energy bills. With air conditioners running most of the year, even small inefficiencies in your home can lead to higher monthly costs. One upgrade that often gets overlooked but can make a noticeable difference is installing slider windows. Slider windows aren't just about looks or convenience. When chosen and installed correctly, they can play a big role in keeping your home cooler and reducing how hard your HVAC system has to work. Why Houston homes lose so much energy? Houston's climate creates a perfect storm for energy loss. Long, hot summers, high humidity, and intense sunlight can push warm air into your home through outdated or poorly sealed windows. Older windows often have gaps, warped frames, or single-pane glass that allows heat transfer to happen fast. When that hot air sneaks inside, your air conditioner has to run longer to maintain a comfortable temperature. That extra workload shows up directly on your energy bill. What makes slider windows energy efficient? Slider windows are designed with horizontal tracks that allow the window to slide open smoothly. Modern slider windows are built with energy efficiency in mind, using features that help block heat and keep cool air inside. Many slider windows include double or triple pane glass that slows heat transfer, low-E coatings that reflect solar heat away from your home, height seals and weather stripping that prevent air leaks, insulated frames that resist temperature changes. Together, these features create a stronger barrier between Houston's heat and your indoor comfort. Better air seals mean lower cooling costs. One major reason slider windows help lower energy bills is their ability to seal tightly when closed. Older window styles often develop gaps over time, especially in humid climates like Houston. Slider windows are designed to close snugly against the frame, reducing drafts and air leaks. When less hot air gets inside, your AC doesn't need to work as hard. That can translate into noticeable savings over the course of a long Houston summer. Natural ventilation on cooler days. While Houston is known for heat, there are still cooler mornings, evenings, and mild days, especially during fall and spring. Slider windows open wide, allowing fresh air to flow through your home naturally. By taking advantage of these cooler moments, you can turn off your air conditioning and let natural ventilation do the work. Even small breaks from constant AC use can reduce energy consumption over time. Sunlight without excess heat. Slider windows allow plenty of natural light into your home, which can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. When paired with energy-efficient glass, you get bright rooms without the unwanted heat that comes with older window designs. Low-E glass helps reflect harsh sunlight while still letting in natural brightness. This balance keeps rooms comfortable and helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Long-term savings for Houston homeowners. While installing new slider windows is an upfront investment, the long-term savings can be significant. Lower monthly energy bills, reduced strain on your HVAC system, and improved indoor comfort all add up over time. Many Houston homeowners also find that energy-efficient windows increase home value and make their property more attractive if they ever decide to sell. A smart upgrade for Houston living. Slider windows are a practical, stylish, and energy-smart choice for Houston homes. They're easy to operate, built for efficiency, and well-suited for the city's climate challenges. If your current windows are outdated or letting heat creep in, upgrading to modern slider windows could be one of the simplest ways to stay cooler, more comfortable, and save money on energy bills year after year.